Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and happy Saturday everybody. It's Saturday, it's a video, and I'm bringing you a whole pile of stuff that's come in the mail, and it actually started arriving before I went off to Alaska, but I try to only do these sort of videos once a month. Apologies for the sunshine, it is streaking through. It's still the school summer holidays here, so I have to be very careful about pitching my timing so I don't have children running around the house. So I'm going to have to cope with some sunshine, but you know, it is what it is. I've got blinds up and all sorts. Anyway, so I've got all sorts of goodies that arrived. So I thought I'd show you. So this is from one of the girls in my team, Sam, who works under the brand name Fat Mittens, and she was cashing in some vouchers, and so she put the vouchers actually in here. She made a little envelope specifically for them. They went in there. I remember this DSP. Lovely little card, and then in here, Pamper Yourself, she knows me so well, she's got, it's a beautiful box that's all been lined inside as well, and there's a little holder there, and there's a bath bomb in here. So I have been so good at saving myself until now, or saving this until now. Bomb Cosmetics over the oh, it's a rainbow. Oh, I hadn't even realised that. I hadn't opened it fully. I could smell it and knew it was a bomb. Oh, she knows me so well. But I've been saving that for nearly a month, and I get to use it now. Thank you, Sam. So, yeah, I love all of this little fussy cutting on here. But I like the fact that it's lined on the inside as well. How cool. So those are from her. And I've got some cards here. I've got a box of stuff, and I mustn't forget to bring that out, so I'm going to bring that closer. So I've got cards here. Let me give you this. So this is Linda from my team. So Linda Parker, and she's Papercraft with Crafty. And oh, let me try. I can't do it without bringing it into the sunshine. But lovely, lots of layering going on there. Just lovely. And this is Suzanne in my team, who is. She's a bit of a brusho fiend right now. She's doing beautiful work with brusho. So we've got heat embossing there. It's an embossed resist technique. Oh, if I bring it down lower, there we go, won't get the sun glaze. Although actually it's quite nice to get the sun, to get the twinkle. And then the brusho sprinkled on top. I don't remember who this one was from. I don't remember who this was from. Oh, I'm sorry, can you hear my cats? The kittens are in season at the moment. I'm waiting to have them spayed, but I need the boys to be back at school so that they can recuperate. This is from Leslie, who's a new joiner into my team, and we've got heat embossing going on here, but it's sort of sparkly. I don't know if you can see it. Very lovely, and all sorts of layering going on here. All these layers of paper, all hand cut, just lovely. Okay, there's a funny story. So this is from Pat in my team, and Pat was cashing in some vouchers, and it was before I went on holiday, and she said they'll arrive with you before you go on holiday, and they didn't come, and I said, look, I'm going to trust you anyway, don't worry about it. And so I, she told me how many she'd sent, and I redeemed them for her. And then a month and a day after it was postmarked, so this was postmarked 12th of July, and it turned up on the 13th of August. But it's a lovely card. There's lots of layering going on here. So Patty's, her blog is A Quiet Place. It's called A Quiet Place. And just lovely. And she's put me a rainbow. Thank you, Pat. Lots and lots of layers there. Who's this one from? This is Karen, who's also in my team. Like this blends work going on here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Very sweet. I do like Bella and Friends. Use this one from, this is from Katrina in my team. Is Katrina in my team? Was in my team. Now a shopper. And yeah, I like this, the die cut gold. I'd like to know how she's managed to do it without getting the little dimply bits on. And then there's beautiful butterflies. Got more kitty cats. Oh, I don't know who this one's from. This one doesn't say. It just says thank you very much on the inside. I'm guessing there was probably vouchers with it, maybe being cashed in. But I love it. Bella and Friends. But this is probably the Stamparator's technique, where you create this sort of diamond shape. No, sort of like an 8-pointed star shape. And then you can rotate your image around. Just brilliant. Love it. Love a kitty cat. This one's very sweet. So this is somebody who was in my team and has dropped, but just wanted to say thank you very much. Potential means you ain't done yet. Absolutely. And I'm hoping she's going to rejoin. Thank you, Jackie. Just lovely. I like that. All those layers. Very nice. And then this is from Janet, who's my upline with Monate that I'm with. I'm with Monate as a hobby, really more than anything. Just because, you know, so I get nice hair. And I achieved something and she sent me this card. Lovely. This is the vellum. So Janet is Janet Wakeland, remarkably created over in the USA. And so she's used Stampin' Up! Goodies. And who's this one from? Anne. Thank you very much. Thinking of you. I just thought that was really sweet. So Anne has just joined my team. Very pretty. I love this paper. So gorgeous. Right, let me do this box and then I'm going to come on to these other bits. So this is from Jenny. And Jenny has been a wonderful supporter of me for a very, very long time. And she put some treats in the post for me and the boys and Chris. So there's 4 of those, and there's 2 little ones as well, which is very sweet, gorgeous. Or maybe I should have the big ones. And then there's even more little treats. And these arrived right before I went away, and I'll show you what's inside in a minute. And they're all different. I believe the pink one is for me. Move that box out of the way. That's been so good. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Chocolates! Chocolates inside there. I'm guessing, let me grab one of these randomly. I think, yes, so they've all got chocolates inside. Ah, this is a no glue box. So all of those, and then in here, whoop, there's a little, oh, yes, I'm going to have the little ones. There's a little fudge chocolate bar. Have a look and see what's in the longer ones. Those have got curly whirlies. I might just have them all. I won't, Jenny. I promise you I will let the boys have them. How lovely are those? And then a beautiful card as well, which is just so sweet. But look at that. How lovely. For me, my husband and my 4 boys. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? Just love them. And they've all got different decorations. Love that. Yes, this is a no glue box. Just amazing. I think that one must be for Chris because it's got the beer, and I know she did write in it. The bottle box is for Chris, pink is yours, you're the best, and 1 each for the boys. Yes. Oh no, that's come off. Oh no. I think it's where I've had them sat and my office has been hot. Let's scooch those out of the way, and then I've got a couple more bits. So this is Helen. So Helen is in my 2nd level. So her lovely upline is Dee, who is Lady D Crafts. And Helen does this most amazing technique. And between us and all of the team, we've been saying to her, you've got to get that on video. You've got to get that. Her watercolouring. I'm hoping you can see that. If I can tip it away from the sunshine. Let me put it on autofocus. Her watercolouring is just unbelievable. She stamped this and then watercoloured it. Absolutely insane how talented she is. So you'll see her in my craft group as Helen Watson. And oh look, there's another layer here. So she does, if you're in my craft forum on Facebook, you'll know her stuff straight away. And she's put me 9 tea lights in there, and then she's wrapped it this way with heat embossing. You're simply amazing. And then another wrap there. Just gorgeous. I love it. Helen, thank you so much. So those came in the post, and then these are from, and there was a clip on there, but I think a kitten's nicked it. This is a lovely lady who has just gone from shopping with me to joining me, and her talent is amazing. Look at this. Beautiful. Every little kindness makes the world brighter. So that's just lovely, from Bex, and she's made it all match. There's a nice little letter in there for me. So, and then it comes in this lovely little shallow box, all handmade. And then in here, like I say, there was something on the top, and she put in the letter. She said, I heard you say on video once that you liked these things. I do. Burt's Bees hand salve and the hand cream. And she's wrapped it, so because it's glass, perfect so that it doesn't get damaged, but actually made the washi tape match completely as well. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Bex, and I cannot wait to see what you do in your business. And there was a clip, and like I say, I think a kitten has pinched it, and so I'm going to pop those back on because that's just lovely. And so yeah, all these goodies have been arriving in the post over the last well, it must be 4 weeks because I'm filming this Friday and you're watching it Saturday. I always film these at the very last minute, and they've been arriving, and I went on the trip I think on the 17th, so yeah, pretty much 4 or 5 weeks, and the whole month, and just gorgeous. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Congratulations to my amazing team. My team is so amazing. I do a voucher system for them, and they're doing so very well. I've actually run out and had to order more, so there's about 1,100 vouchers out there with my team right now. Just amazing. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Can't remember what I've got coming up on Monday. Anyway, speak to you soon. Bye.